guys, welcome back to Making a Difference one experiment at a time. My name is Claire and I'm so happy you decided to join me for the final episode. That is today. Today we have a special treat for you. We are going to be making instant ICEEs. Now I don't know about you guys, but I love ICEEs. So I was super excited to do this experiment. We have 3 different drinks. So first it's just water, but then we have Gatorade, and we also have a soda, like a lemon soda. So we will dive into that a little bit later. So let's just talk about the materials real quick. Okay, so the materials list is super easy. You need a bottle of water, a bottle of Gatorade, and a can of soda or a bottle of soda. Any soda should work, any sports drink should work. So if you want to use Powerade instead of Gatorade, that's fine. There's 2 more things. You're gonna want a bowl, preferably metal, and you're gonna want to also have a freezer. And those are the 5 things you're gonna need. The prep for this experiment is also really simple. All you need to do is take the 3 different bottles that you have plus your bowl and put them in your freezer. And then you're gonna wait for a long time. So this is the part where we need to be really patient. And every freezer is different. So it's gonna depend on your freezer, and you can play around with the times, experiment with the times, see what works best. For us, we left our bottles in about 3 hours and 15 minutes. And so we're actually gonna go check them out right now. So come along, we're gonna go check them out.
I'm gonna take them out. The water's gonna freeze up. So just be super careful.
You know what?
Alright, you might want to do this.
Film it. Okay.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay. I think it's because I have it in there sideways. So then
Okay,
when I
go ahead.
Okay guys, so let's see with the water. When we turn it, it should automatically freeze. But it's not. What the heck?
Freeze.
Where is it? Okay. You ready? As you can see, like ice crystals are getting attracted to the ice, so we're gonna let it sit. Cause like it said if you pour it on top. Oh my gosh. Boo.
No!
This is so sad. With our soda, guys, you know that in soda, there's a lot of pressure built up because of the gases that allow for the carbonation. So we want to release the carbonation really slowly, and it's kind of tricky with a can. So we're just going to do our best to open the can, not all at once, just kind of slowly to release the pressure really slowly, or else the experiment probably won't work.
And then pour it in the bowl.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour it in the bowl, and it should be an instant ICEE.
Oh my gosh!
Look at that, guys. Isn't that crazy? You're pouring it and it just comes out ice.
Looks like applesauce.
It was a liquid, and now all of a sudden it's an ICEE. So cool. And you know, this experiment is really cool because you have a liquid in the can and then you pour it out and it's all of a sudden a salt. And I'll get a spoon and show you guys, prove to you. Like it's actually a solid now. That's so crazy. So now you just have made your very own ICEE. And you're never allowed to eat experiments, but this is the one exception. So if you want, you can have a bite of your ICEE. Pretty cool, guys. We have 1 more drink in the freezer. We have a sports drink. So let's check that one out too.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
Alright,
tell
guys,
us if it tastes good.
we're ready to go in for a bite. I'm super excited. It's like really good. This is a good summer experiment, guys. It's like a grapefruit ice cream. It's really good.
Upside down. Just get wait.
It's working. Then it comes out a slushy.
Just
Okay
be
guys,
extra
so when we
careful.
pour, it should come out slushy, but you have to release the lid super slowly.
Where are you? bottle. So that you can show it's a slushy.
That's cold, guys.
Is it slushy?
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me for this last video. The water was kind of a bust, but these two worked. It was really cool. When we poured them out, well, when we poured this one out, it became slush immediately, and then this one we just shook it up a little bit and immediately slush. So I would recommend you guys give this a try with your mom or dad or older brother or sister on a hot day, and then you can enjoy the slushie that you make afterwards. The reason this happens is when these two beverages freeze, what's really freezing inside of them is the water. So soda has water in it and sports drinks has water in it. That's part of the ingredients. And so when the water molecules are in the freezer, they start to freeze and they start getting squeezed together, and the sweet sugary syrups that are in soda and in sports drinks, they're kind of pushed out by the water molecules that are coming together, right? Because when ice is formed, that's when water, when the molecules come together and form like a solid. So the same thing's happening in the freezer. When the water molecules are starting to become frozen, so they're coming together, they're pushing the syrups out, and so when we pour them, the liquids, they want to be frozen. They're like at that point where they're almost frozen. They really want to be frozen. So when we finally pour them out, all the ice molecules are created, that's the water that froze together, and all of the liquid part of our slushie is the syrup that was pushed out by the water molecules. Alright guys, well, I am Claire signing out for the last time from Making a Difference One Experiment at a Time. I have had such a blast walking through the different experiments with you guys, trying out parachutes and learning about surface tension and acids and bases and all of the other things that we've learned about together. I really, really appreciate that you took your time to watch this video, maybe some of my other ones too, and I hope that you will remember that science is for everyone, that science is fun, and I hope you continue doing it at home. I'll see you later. Bye, little scientists.